Look at this screen. This is not a shop website, this is my script. This morning it walked through more than 100 laptops by itself and caught these discounts. Up to 35%. I didn't open a single tab by hand. Let's build the exact same thing in a few minutes, and it will watch prices for you. First, let me tell you what you need so you're not hunting later. You need Python and 3 libraries. One downloads pages, the second parses the markup, the third helps it. They install with a single command in the terminal. A couple of seconds and you're ready. Nothing else is needed for this project. How do I even know where the price is? Very simple, the same way you will. I right-click right on the price and choose Inspect. A developer panel opens at the bottom and instantly highlights the piece of markup. There's our price, and you can see it sits in an element with the class price. The class doesn't change from product to product, so one line grabs the prices from all of them at once. The name is in a link, that's how we tell products apart. And the same trick pulls out anything. Rating, reviews, description. This is how pros find what to grab. They don't guess, they look at the markup. I open the file parse.py. I take a library for requests and a markup parser. I download the page in one line and hand it to the parser. Then, the very selector we highlighted in the browser. I select all product blocks at once. For each card, I take the name from the link and the price text. Exactly what we highlighted. The price on the page is text with a $sign. I strip everything extra and turn it into a number. I collect them into a list and return it. I run it 117 products, each with a clean numeric price. The cheapest is around $300, the most expensive almost $1,800. A list of prices by itself is not yet a discount catcher. To catch a drop, you have to remember yesterday's prices. I create the file monitor.py. I take our parser and read the old prices from a simple memory file. I compare. If today is cheaper than before, that's a discount, and I compute the percent too. Run it once a day on a schedule, and the script catches every drop by itself. Now the best part. I show the result not in a black console, but as a real page in the browser. At the top, today's price drops. Real products, the old price crossed out, the new one glowing green, and you instantly see how much you save. Below, all the products with fresh prices. It looks like a finished service, but it's just our script, a couple of screens of code. Important point. This same code works on any shop, you only swap 2 selectors. The price class and the name class you found yourself in the browser. If a site draws prices later with a script and they're not in the markup, you use a controlled browser instead of plain requests like we did in another video. And always stay ethical. Collect only public prices, respect the site's rules, and don't flood it with requests. A pause between pages is a must. I packed the whole monitor into a single file, you run it, and it works. If this was useful, subscribe to SIGMENT Academy. Next we'll build even cooler things. See you.